Assalamualaikum and welcome back to another video. As you all know, my name is Asif Shahid and I am the student at University Islamabad. So in today's video, we will be going to discuss the implementation of D flip-flop, JK flip-flop, SR flip-flop and master slave flip-flop. So as you all know, what is meant by the flip-flop? A flip-flop is a D flip-flop is a modified set reset flip-flop with the addition of an inverter to prevent the SR inputs from being at the same logic level. One of the main disadvantages of the basic SR NAND gate B is a table circuit in there is that the intermediate input conditions of set equals to 0 or set is equal to 0 is forbidden. So this is the block diagram for the JK flip-flop, and now we will be going to implement the all four types of the flip-flop on the Proteus. So let's head towards the Proteus. So first of all, we will be going to discuss the D flip-flop. This is the circuit diagram for the D flip-flop. We will be going to use 4 NAND gates, and we have a feedback. As you can see that we have a feedback from the fourth head, and NAND gate to the fourth and NAND gate, and from fourth we have a feedback at third NAND gate. So as you can see that as we have already studied earlier that the output of a D flip-flop is high when the input is high. Or let's start the simulation. As you can see that when the input is high, the output is high. When the input is low, or you can see that when the input is low, the output is low. So this is the simple and the most feasible condition of the implementation of the D flip-flop. Now we will be going to head towards the SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop is known as a set reset flip-flop. A flip-flop is a device that stores the data at a specified input, or the input data at the clock and the various clock intervals, as we have already discussed in the theory. So as you can see that this is the set reset flip-flop. So when we start the simulation, and we will be going to set the value 1. Wait a minute. As you can see that when 1 is being applied, this is not possible, this state is not possible, so it gives us an error. As we have already discussed that 1 input performs error at an output. So when we set the value 1 is being stored, and when we change the value to 0, as you can see 1 is still stored in the latch or in the flip-flop. If we want to reset that value, we will be going to implement that the value is being reset and there is no value stored in the SR flip-flop. So in this way we can verify the truth table of the SR flip-flop. Now we will going to discuss the master slave SR flip-flop, or we can say that this is a master slave SR flip-flop. This works exactly the same as a flip-flop, but as you can see that 1 is not possible in that as well. We will be going to store 1, so we will be going to get 1 at an output. So if we change the 0, still no change, and if the 0, 1 is being applied, the value is still stored. That is and after that the value is still stored, and after that the value is being reset. Now we will be going to head towards the JK flip-flop. So the JK flip-flop now let's see the truth table. As you can see that in case of JK flip-flop 0, there is no change. In case of 0, 1, value is being reset. 1, the value is being set, and at 1, the value is being toggled in case of JK flip-flop. So you can see that when you start the simulation, as error has been occurred because of that. Okay, now we have to change the clock, or this clock we can replace it with the D clock. Okay, so let's start the simulation. As you can see that when is 1, 0, 0, 1, so at 1, 0 is being applied, the value is being reset because the next state would be 1, 1. So and we applied 1 that state is not possible, as I have told you earlier. This toggles the simulation. So and when we change it into 0 1, the output would be 1 1. As you can see that as a clock signal is being applied, so the value is being set and again reset. So in this way our JK flip-flop works. And that is all for today's video. If you like the video, then do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any query regarding that, you can DM me in the or me, and you can tell me in my comment section. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.